Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sana Awan. As we all know कि कराची में पानी का बहुत ज़्यादा existing मसला है, and we were facing the same issue despite getting tankers, but the quality of water delivered obviously is not up to the standard. Even tankers में बहुत सारे problems, germs, infections, and every day it was a new problem and a hassle. So we decided on getting our boring done. Luckily पानी जो हमारा निकला वो अच्छा पानी था, but then it had to be refined and filtered in a proper way. So we contacted mabzi company, and that is the day about around 3 years back हमने RO plant अपने install करवाया, and up till now we've been extremely satisfied. Even पानी जो filter होता है उसकी quality we've matched with the other top selling companies. उनका पीने का पानी लेके उसको हमने टेस्ट किया, और जो हमारे नलकों में पानी आता है उसको हमने टेस्ट किया, and ours was a much better quality in terms of TDS जो रीडिंग आती है. तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमारा पीने का पानी भी अब उसका भी मसला हल हो गया. no more dependent on bottled water coming from different companies. पीने का पानी भी हमारे अपने ही RO प्लांट में से हमारे लिए आता है, and all the same water is running in our taps also, which is a big a blessing for us. क्योंकि ख़राब पानी से then many other problems that you face, not only when it comes to your hygiene or your getting different diseases, but आपके फर्श ख़राब होना शुरू हो जाता है, आपका सैनिटरी वेयर आउट होना शुरू हो जाता है, आपके you start getting severe hair fall and acne and different kind of problems related to household and your personal care. So alhamdulillah our entire problem has been solved after installation of the RO plant from mabzi company, and we are very satisfied when it comes to any water related issue. And the best part that about the company is the after sales service. जब भी आप किसी भी टाइम इनको कॉल करें for any complaint, a minor or a major one, you are catered there and then. The team arrives within an hour, less than an hour, और आपका वो मसला उसी वक्त, चाहे कोई बड़ा मसला हो चाहे कोई छोटा मसला हो, उसी वक्त उसको सॉल्व करके आपको चेक करा के आपको सेटिस्फाई करा के वो टीम वापस जाती है. So I am a very satisfied mabzi customer, and I would recommend anybody who's having a problem, पानी का issue जिसको है, वैसे तो हर किसी को ही है आजकल, but जिसको पानी का issue है, I mean try out if boring works for you, and then you can go ahead for an RO plant. I would recommend mabzi company for that. Alhamdulillah, very satisfied customer. Thank you.